Hi, I'm Brianne. I am the business manager here at Peak Software, and I'm really excited because today I get to tell you about a new feature in DSM Mobile that's going to completely streamline the way that you handle data collection from your operators out in the field. DSM Mobile has always been an awesome tool for allowing your operators to access their job data and record information about the work that they're doing out in the field. And I know that when you're getting good data from your operators, the billing process just goes so much more smoothly. They say that the surest way to create a good habit is to make it easy to do. With structured data entry, we've done just that. We've made it super easy. Now you can specify the pieces of data that you need from your operators for each work item, and you can create easy entry fields for those data pieces so they never get missed. The data comes through in the line item the same way every time, so there's no more confusion and no more missing data. To start creating your templates, you're just going to navigate to File, Maintain Tables, Financial, and then Invoice Items, and then you'll highlight the invoice item that you want to define a template for and click Edit. And on the item screen, you'll select DSM Mobile Entry Template. By default, your work items are still going to retain their standard entry format, which is just going to give your operator the usual quantity and a notes field. And if the standard format works for you or works for maybe some of your items, you can just leave them be and keep on keeping on. To help with creating your data fields, we've given you some templates that you can work from for common work items like core drilling, slab sawing, wall sawing. You can select a template to get started, or if you're a real do-it-yourselfer, you can just start from scratch by selecting custom from the template drop-down list. Now once you've selected your template, you're going to see a list of data fields to the left and a preview of how the DSM Mobile entry screen is going to appear on the right. And you can add, edit, delete, or move your data items up and down to whatever order works best for you. On this screen, you're also going to see the line item merge expression area at the bottom left. This is going to show you how the information that you entered will ultimately be displayed on the job ticket. And I mean, this is the end goal, a final product that's clear and concise, contains all the information that you need. Now you can test this screen out by entering the data as if you were an operator out in the field on the right, and then hit the test button under the line item merge expression to see how that data is going to look once it's merged. I know that no two businesses are completely alike. Everyone is unique, and we've given you guys the power to create a structure that works best for you. So you can highlight the data field that you want to work with, go ahead and select Edit, and from here you'll enter an input description that makes sense to your operators. You can choose what type of answer makes the most sense for the question that you're asking. This could be a yes or no, a number, maybe a multiple choice drop-down where you get to decide on the possible answers, or just a blank notes field that your operator will fill out. Maybe there will be situations where you want this question answered absolutely, or there's situations where maybe you don't necessarily need it. If that's the case, you can go ahead and leave the required box unchecked and let your operators decide. If the required box is checked, your operator won't be able to move on from the entry screen without completing that field. They'll get a little reminder that says, hey, you gotta get this done before you can move on. If you need to later on, you can always go back and take a peek at the data that your operator entered. When you're entering a job ticket and editing a line item, just press the See DSM Mobile Entry button to see the answers as they were entered. And there you have it. We know merge fields and defining data points isn't necessarily everybody's cup of tea, so if you'd like some help getting your DSM Mobile structured entry set up, please give our support team a call. We're more than happy to walk through it with you. And thank you so much for placing your trust in our team and allowing us to continue to serve you.